Listen to this former Obeah Man, but Christ
many
save
persons
him.
would call it in Jamaica.
I used to work Obeah in the name of Jesus and Jesus Christ. Most of the so-called gangster is them of them one Obeah Man.
But you have been practicing Obeah in the church, giving back. And what's the worst thing that you have ever done?
Send demons at people, yeah. When you send spirit to people home, one or two things is going to happen. They are going to get the person what you call mentally ill, or they are going to kill the person. I used to shed blood of goats, blood of birds, and these things. So what happened now, whenever these sacrificial ritual come, let's just say it happened it happened last year, January. So each January now,
you have to renew.
You have to renew it. So if you don't renew it now, it will take toll upon the human family.
Okay.
And so what would have happened now, it come for your loved one, it come for this and it come. So that is what really happened in Jamaica. Because most of the so-called gangster is them of them one Obeah Man. I'm thanking God, amen, for his mercy, because by right I should have been dead.
Jamaicans, a lot of Jamaicans would come to you.
Jamaican love Obeah. Trust me, Jamaican, when we say Jamaican love Obeah, I mean Jamaican love Obeah. So the market was there. I was now out of, you know, so you have a school in Brownstown, what town to be exact. They call it the Jerusalem School Room. This is where they teach witchcraft. This is where it comes like the Harry Potter school. So this is a well-known school where every revivalist goes. It has me.
How much money for a bath?
We're talking about from $150,000 to $200,000, depending on the case. And
what these baths are for? Make people rich, what people want?
Protection. So-called protection.
From the same devil they're coming to?
it make no sense, because what I